Today's November 23rd. Just installed the diesel heater in the Runaway camper. And it's positioned right below the refrigerator. Slides for the refrigerator, and it comes up and it exits out here. I've got a grill I've got to put on there, but yeah, it fired up the first time. The kit was really easy to put together, so the exhaust comes out over here. Here's the fuel tank out of the weather in the box. Fuel line goes that way under the duct tape and out. Fuel line and fuel pump are positioned back there. The muffler is right there. I need to attach that yet. So yeah, I have a diesel storage tank that will go here underneath the gasoline tank for the generator. So yeah, I'm very impressed with the Chinese diesel heater. It's a 5K heater, and it's producing a lot of heat in the trailer right now. The fuel pump is not making any noise in the trailer, and it's all outside. It comes with a new rubber bracket that you put the fuel pump on, and that dissipates the sound traveling through the trailer. So more later.